unstructured play. Let's talk about it later. First, let's think about this. You have a 9 to 5 job, you come home tired, and someone tells you, quickly get ready, take a meal, and come on, you have to go for some other work. And this is happening every day. You cannot demand. How would you feel? Tired? Overwhelmed? Bored? You might even stop liking work altogether. Imagine this happening to a 4-year-old, 6-year-old, 10-year-old. When the child comes back from school, the child is hurried into having his meal and then change, pick up your bag and go for another class. The child is learning something similar that he is learning at school. For example, phonics, maths. What are he trying to achieve here? Where has the unstructured playtime gone? I'll give you my own example. I was playing with my son, and his school had just introduced the concept of ascending and descending. And while I was talking to him, he was busy coloring and all, and he was telling me that he had ascending, descending order. It was so much fun. And then he started talking about Burj Khalifa, the tallest, and then he was like, oh, the building that we stay, is it taller than Burj Khalifa? And the watchman's cabin. And like that, he started thinking in his head. Why he was thinking, his hands had already placed it ascending to descending order of crayons. Because he had some broken crayons, we had some really good fresh crayons in his box. And he just did that. And I was like, wow, what a beautiful way. That means it gave me two things. That wow, the teacher has explained him the concept so well, right? So at the conceptual level, he was very clear. And second, as an educationist, he gave me an idea of teaching ascending and descending order at school, which till date at the Earthful International we use it. So you never know that as a parent, your child might just teach you something. As a parent, you might learn something about the child's learning journey, the child's emotional journey. This is the best time to bond with the child, and which is very important because that bonding, that connection helps further in the child's relationships and even when he is into his adulthood. I would highly recommend to parents, please structure an unstructured time with the child every day. It's okay if the child does not go for 1 or 2 classes post school hours, not required. Let the school do their job. Tell the school to do their job well. But focus on child having unstructured playtime. That is the way you will bond with him, and that is the way you will help him understand the real life lessons through your experiences and through your amazing time with him.